Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the book back exercise of Unit 4 Prose My Reminiscence written by Rabindranath Tagore. Hope you already know the story. Now we are going to do the book back exercise. If you are ready, let's get started. First one is glossary. Ineffable. So the word ineffable means beyond expression or too great to be expressed. Second one, languid. Languid means moving slowly. Third one, plaintive. Plaintive means sounding sad or moaning sound. Fourth one, ministration. Ministration means the act of helping or caring. So the Rabindranath Tagore had the habit of helping his mom, right? So ministration means act of helping. Wrought means caused. Clustering, forming a group. So cluster means group. Clustering means forming a group. Belching. The word belching means to let the air come up. Veritable. Veritable means more exciting. And last one, garb means clothes. Now we are going to learn this fill in the blanks. The author speaks about the river dash. Which river is talked in the story? So the answer is the river Ganges. See here, the author speaks about the river Ganges. The author's brother name is what? His brother name is Joyendra. Then the third question, the dash glittered over the smooth flowing stream. So in the night time, what is glittering on the stream? The moonlight is glimmered over the smooth flowing stream. Next, fourth question. The beauty of Bengal and the Ganges served as dash and dash to the author. So it served as a food and drink to the author. So throughout the day, they were enjoying the beauty of the Bengal and the Ganges, right? So that is the answer. The fifth question is, the afternoons were spent by dash and dash. How they spend their afternoon? By boating and singing. So that is the answer. Next question and answer. Answer the following in one or two sentences. First one, quote the expressions from the text when the author sees the Ganges again. So how he felt after seeing that Ganges? The Ganges again those ineffable days and nights, languid with a joy, sad with a longing, attuned. Answer the following in one or two sentences. Quote the expressions from the text when the author sees the Ganges again. So the Ganges again those ineffable days and nights, languid with joy, sad with longing, attuned to the plaintive babbling of the river along with the cool shade of its wooded banks. So after seeing the river, these are the lines the writer expressed. So the second question is, in what ways the river and its bank have changed? So this writer is thinking, what are the changes that the surrounding and the banks of the river had for the past and the present? So the answer is, the river banks are thickly surrounded by green trees and plants. From them hung bunches of nests at the riverside where the birds would have chirped, leaves rustled, and the wind rushed. Now it has been replaced by huge dragon-like mills, making a hissing noise and letting out black smoke. So he is comparing his childhood days and the present day. So during his childhood days, he enjoyed the natural beauty, but now all those nature turned as a huge dragon-like buildings and mills, factories and mills. So the next one is, how were the rooms arranged in his house? The rooms were not regularly arranged. The rooms were not on the same level. Some were at very high level. So the rooms in their house was not arranged regularly. Next, clipped words. So clipped means what? In a long word, we are choosing a short form of it. For example, advertisement. What is the short form we call for advertisement? Is in shortly we call advertisement as ads. Now we are going to see such clipped words. So clipped word is a word formed by dropping one or more syllable from a longer word or phrase with no change in meaning. So without changing the meaning, we are going to cut short the word. That is known as clipped word. Another definition for clipped word is, clipping word is the word formation process which consists of the reduction of a word to one of its parts. These words are called as clipped words. So here they have given some exercise to do. First one is aeroplane. So how we call it in a short form? We call it as plane. Next one, microphone. So during assemblies, what we have? We have mic. So mic is the short form for the word microphone. Next, exhibition. So you can use a short form of the word exhibition as expo. We went to that science expo. Kilogram. So what is the short form for kilogram? That is kilo. I bought a kilo of rice. Next, cafeteria. So the short form of the word cafeteria is cafe. So here, as I said, advertisement. What is the short form for advertisement? It is ad. And for automobile, we shortly call it as auto. And cabriolet as cab, cabriolet as cab, and examination as exam, fanatic as fan. Gasoline. In our household utensils, we have gasoline, right? And we shortly call it as gas. Yesterday, I booked the gas. Gymnasium. So, I used to go gym in the morning. So, instead of using the word gymnasium, what we should use? We should say gym. Hamburger as burger. I ate burger. Influenza. The word influenza, we shortly call it as flu. Laboratory as lab. We have a physics lab, chemistry lab and biology lab in our school. Luncheon as lunch. Mathematics, maths or math. Memorandum is memo. Moving picture. We shortly call it as movie. Shall we go for a movie? Like that we used to say. Pantaloons as pants. Photograph as photo. Refrigerator as fridge. University, varsity. Zoological park, zoo. So in this clipped word there are some difference between the words. We call it as front clipped words, back clipped words and middle clipped words. We split this clipped words into 3 categories. First one is front clipped words and the another one is back clipped words and the last one is middle clipped words. For example, motor plus bike. So we are clipping that first word and we should say the second word as bike. For the back clipped words we are clipping out the back word and we pronounce the first term. For example, gymnasium as gym and the middle clipped words. So in this words we are clipping that middle term and we left that beginning and the end term. For example, refrigerator. The clipped form of the word refrigerator is fridge. And here are some examples along with sentences. For example, hamburger. My favorite burger is Jollibee Burger Yum. Motorbike. We call it as bike. Matt bought a very expensive bike. Discotheque. We call it as disco. Disco is not a part of Italian culture. So clipping is when you reduce a word by taking away some of it. This can be from the beginning, middle or end. So as I said earlier, there is a front clipped word, middle clipped word and back clipped word. For example, telephone, refrigerator and spectacles. So we call telephone as phone and refrigerator as fridge and spectacles as specs. And here is a sentence for those words. Can somebody answer the phone? I have lost my specs. The fridge is nearly empty. Next, here is a list of common clipped words in English with examples. And we call the word examination as exam. For example, my exams start tomorrow. I'm not prepared. And the next one is fabulous. The short form of the word or the clipped form of the word fabulous is fab. This pie looks fab. Next, we call information as info. It is a back clipped word. We are using the first syllable, info. 5 euros reward for any information. So instead of using the word information, what we use? Info. 5 euros reward for any info. Here are some other clipping words for you to know. Gymnasium, gym. Dormitory, dorm. Handkerchief, hanky. Gasoline, gas. Kilogram, kilo. Influenza, flu. Business, biz. Parachute, shoot. refrigerator, fridge, taxi cab, taxi or cab. We can use any word, any one of the syllable. And here are some other words: photograph, photo, gymnasium, gym, luncheon, lunch, advertisement, ad, zoological park, zoo. And here is the sentence for each term. This photo is good. I go to the gym every day. We had a lunch at this hotel. Give an ad for this product. My friends visited the zoo yesterday. Next, we are going to learn the blended words. So blended words or fusions, we call it as fusions. So if we add two words to form a different word. So blended word is a word that is formed by combining two or more words by dropping some letters and produce a new meaning. So how we form blended words? So we are forming blended words by combining two words by dropping some letters and producing a new meaning with that blended word. Are you ready to see the examples? The process of blending involves joining two words together by taking part of both words and combining the parts into a new whole. The result of this process known as blend. So we are going to combining two words and we are going to produce a new word with a new meaning. So breakfast plus lunch, what it becomes? It becomes brunch. So brunch is a eating time which we used to take in between morning and the afternoon. So in the interim period of morning and the afternoon, if we take any food means we can call it as brunch. Breakfast plus lunch, it becomes brunch. The next one is motor plus hotel, it becomes motel. So motels that we often seen in the highways. If we travel in highway road, there should be a motels. Smoke plus fog, it becomes smog. Urine plus analysis, urinalysis. Gasoline plus alcohol, it becomes gasohol. So these are the blended words which gives a different meaning. So breakfast plus lunch, brunch. Camera plus record, camcorder. High plus technology, high tech. Medical plus care, Medicare. Smoke plus fog, smog. So blending words involve taking two or more words, removing parts of each and joining the resides together to create a new word whose form and meaning are taken from the source words. So smog becomes smoke plus fog. Brunch, breakfast plus lunch. Motel, motor plus hotel. Webinar, World Wide Web plus seminar. Web plus seminar becomes webinar. Transistor, transfer plus resistor becomes transistor. Autobus, automobile plus omnibus becomes autobus. Escalator, so escalate plus elevator, it becomes escalator. A blend word or blend is a word formed from parts of two or more words. For example, bit. Binary plus digit, if we combine the word binary and digit, we get a new blended word called bit and brunch. That you know, breakfast plus lunch. If we combine those two words, we will get a new word called brunch. And camcorder, camera plus recorder, camcorder. Next, electrocute. Electro plus execute, it becomes electrocute. Next, email. Electronic mail, it becomes email. Now we call shortly as email. Mechatronics. Mechanics plus electronics becomes mechatronics. Next, mopped. Motor plus pedals becomes mopped. Muppet. Motel, that you know. Motor plus hotel becomes motel. Newscast. News plus broadcast, it becomes newscasting. Smoke. So smoke plus fog is smog. Spanglish. Spanish and English. If we combine those two words, we will get a new word called Spanglish. Next, vitamin. Vital plus amin becomes vitamin. So here is the exercise. Find out the blending words for the following. International plus police. The answer is Interpol. Helicopter plus pad, helipad. Motor plus hotel, motel. Education. Education plus satellite, edusat. Electronic plus commerce, e-commerce. So here are some other examples that we discussed already. So use the blended words in your own sentences. Electrocut. So we have to frame words, frame sentence using these words. Don't touch that wire or else you will electrocute yourself. Next, Spanglish. She speaks Spanglish well. Muppet. He muppet about in the house all day. Brunch. I had my brunch at 12 noon. Smog. The thick smog caused many problems for the people of this area. So here ends our lesson. Thanks for watching, dear students. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.